My name is Paul Williger. I'm the architect of the Adamson Residence located in beautiful sunny Malibu, California. And as we walk through the house and take a tour, you'll see the use of reclaimed antique materials, all to give it that patina and character of authenticity to a European country house. The entryway flows seamlessly into the living room, whose volume was enhanced through the use of reclaimed barn beams. You can see the hand-hewn marks to add that character and patina to the house. Continuing the character, I'm standing next to a 19th century reclaimed French limestone fireplace surround. So what's so beautiful about this fireplace surround is the soft nature of the curves and carvings and the medallion in the mantel. The most compelling aspect of this house is its expansive ocean view. Really necessitated the use of these large sliding mahogany doors. One can stand here either inside or outside on the terrace and feel the ocean breeze and feel serene and at home in the setting. We opened up the space to create a kitchen, dining room that has a large opening out to Point Dume and the Pacific Ocean. There's a varied use of materials in this kitchen. There's the antique majolica tile for the backsplash, custom glazed cabinets, glass cabinets, and the island is macauba azul marble, pairing with the ocean and the sand with its blue and sand coloration. I think the inspiration for this space was to capture the ocean view, but also make it a functional kitchen for a client who loves to cook and entertain. The kitchen opens up into the dining room for a larger, more relaxed meal. So there are a couple of focal points in the dining room. We have the fireplace that is using a surround of the stone on the exterior of the house. And one thing I love is the herringbone reclaimed fire brick inside. But obviously the major focal point is the large arched window framing the ocean view and the view to Point Dume. Once you walk into the primary bedroom, you're immediately confronted with a 180-degree view of the ocean. My client wanted a bedroom that could be a retreat, and so we added the fireplace, the vaulted ceiling with the barnwood beams, and sliding glass doors that lead out to the pool deck and the ocean breezes. Since today is a beautiful sunny day, why don't we go outside and take a look? So here we are outside. The whole house leads to this, enjoying the pool, the view, Point Dume off in the distance, and surrounded by a lush landscape of oak trees, lavender, and rosemary. And this view of the back of the house is the culmination of the Adamson Residence. It was really one of my favorite projects. Thank you for joining this tour of this wonderful Malibu residence. I hope to see you on future projects.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.